What's going on, guys? It's Frankie from Xtreme. Behind me, I have a 2022 Mini Cooper that got our level 3 ceramic coating package. You guys kind of already know what the process is like and what the before and after results are from previous videos. But what I wanted to talk a little bit about today is what it takes to achieve these results. This paint looks immaculate right now. The guys did a really good job on it. They got an 8-year coating on the paint. We also did all the glass. If you walk with me over this way, we also did the wheels. So we did the face, took the wheel off, did the barrel of the wheel, those nice red calipers. We also coated all plastic trim on the vehicle as well as the soft top on there. So the entire vehicle is nice and protected. So obviously everything looks really good. Looks like it just came off the showroom. Honestly, probably looks better than how it came off the showroom. So let's talk a little bit about what it takes to get these results. It all starts off with our hand washing. Our preparation is key for ceramic coatings, right? We start off with the 2-bucket hand wash. During that 2-bucket hand wash, we also do an iron decontamination. So we chemically wash the vehicle to get all those contaminants that you can't see with your eye off of it. After that, obviously, we're going to soap it, use the 2-bucket method to make sure we're not scratching the vehicle while we're washing it. And then we're also going to clay bar the entire vehicle. After that, the paint correction comes in. This has got a 2-step paint correction. So with the 2-step paint correction, we're actually cutting and polishing, which is why you see these really good results. With the 1-step paint correction or just a polish, you're going to make the car look really nice and shiny, but it's not really going to get rid of a lot of those surface defects. To get these results, you really need a 2-step, which means you got to cut down a little bit and then come back and polish. The guys did a great job on this. Really happy with how it came out, and I'm sure the customer is going to love it. After that, obviously, you're going to go panel by panel, doing a ceramic coating on it. We used our D-Quartz, our CarPro D-Quartz coating on this. So yeah, obviously, everything came out really good. But yeah, stay tuned, watch the entire process. We documented the entire thing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know what you think about how it came out, and if you've ever used any of these CarPro products, because they're really fun to work with and the results are amazing. We'll catch you guys next time.